What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a fire alarm collection video, so we'll start in the back. So right here is a Notifier NBGS. It's just a pull down one, so we'll reset that in a minute. So here's a system sensor mask 2475 AA strobe, horn strobe. I have two system sensor SS24s, a simplex, 290198, 3098 something horn, and then the strobe, I forgot the model number. Right here, we have a Gentex Commander 3. Let's come down here. So here we have a System Sensor L Series horn. We have a System Sensor Spectral Alert Classic, System Sensor L Series horn strobe, a Spectral Alert Advanced horn, Spectral Alert Advanced horn strobe, a Simplex 4251-20. Okay, so this is my eBay inventory. I'll link my eBay store in the description. I'm selling two system sensor masses. This Notifier BNG-1, a system sensor 2251B, a Willock 34T, because I don't have a DC thingy, AC, a system sensor SS24, a Willock MC, a system sensor speaker, and a Willock RSS. So that is it. So expect to be seeing a system test soon, maybe in about 2 or 3 weeks, of a new alarm. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please make sure you give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.